Take off that jacket, man.
Okay.
Now, eat it.
All right.
Dog, where you at?
Where you at, dog?
Wow! You do have molecular transporters! Wow! Downloadable Switchblades, huh? That's the new feature. Oh, no!
You're going to tell me everything you know.
Nobody's stopping Cthulhu now. All will be sadness.
Dude, that little kid is hardcore goth. Hardcore goth.
Oh, please. Let's not embarrass us both with that hoary old stall the villain with flattery scheme.
It's all part of our Krusty Burger Olympic sweepstakes. Just scratch off the name of the Olympic event on your game card, and if America wins a gold medal, you win a free Krusty Burger. Mmm.